So when collecting your footage, if you edit from your phone, super easy to load and import stuff into CapCut. And I'll show that here just in a second when we jump into this edit. But if you're shooting from a camera and you have an SD card, they actually have these SD card readers that you can plug directly into your phone to make the ease of editing on the go way more easier. I know iPhones have progressed crazily to where the phone quality or the camera quality on some of the newer iPhones, you don't even need a regular camera. But if you are using that type of setup, this is a quick and easy solution for you. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So we're going to go to CapCut and I'm going to hit at the top, new project. All right, so I'm starting off from a base project. What it's done is it is pulling up all of my videos inside of my phone. And I can sort through if I want to pull in a video, a photo, or anything else, right? So I'm going to go ahead and select that video. If you have multiple videos, you can go ahead and select as many as you want to pull in right now, but I'm just going to pull in the one that we started with. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add that. Now this started a whole new project. Everything I shot is here. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and jump.